Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to make your birthday private on Twitter. Log into your Twitter account if you are not already logged in. Click on the Profile tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Edit Profile button. Scroll down. In the birth date section, click on the Edit link. Click on Edit again to continue. Scroll down. Under Who Can See This section, select who you want to see your birthday on Twitter. Click Save to apply the changes. Click Confirm. That's it, the changes has been applied. This is how you can make your birthday private on Twitter. Thank you for watching.